Hey guys, so I am at Rishyap. This is a huge playground in Rishyap, and that typical photo that we always seen of Rishyap children playing in the background. And আমরা এখন পাহাড়ে উঠছি। আমি এখন এখানে ছোট্ট মন্দির আছে, এখানে দুটো গম্বুজ আছে, বুদ্ধিস্ট গম্বুজ। Okay, so this is the view from this side. That is our lodge. অনেক বাচ্চারা খেলছে, কারণ লজের সামনে একটা স্কুল, ক্লাস 4 অবধি কিছু তো শিখছে ওরা। কোভিডের জন্য সব ভুলে গেছিলো, স্কুল বন্ধ ছিল বলে সবাই খুব আনন্দে সব কিছু ভুলে গেছিলো। Now they're learning it back. So okay, there's a Shiv Shambhu temple. I'm not Shiv Buddha temple. I'm not going up because with my leg, I have a problem in my leg. So I'll just climb a little bit up to see if I can show you the picture of the photograph. I mean the video of the temple. I'm using a walking stick because the boulders, you can see, we are not used to this kind of travel, but I just love to travel. Okay, climbing down is going to be tough. And there is a house over here. Oh my god, such beautiful Gondoraj food. You can see, I think these are Gondoraj food. They attract a lot of spiders, which I'm not very fond of. পুরোহিত হয়েছে মনে হচ্ছে, Nepali guy. Scurried off. I'll just take a view at this temple and we'll be back. Okay, so we're not climbing that stairs. I'm sorry. Oh. But if you guys are religious enough, you can climb the stairs and see what's up there. Also the bell is nice to ring. Oh, that's lovely flowers. These are tube roses, I think. This is a beautiful place. Okay. We had a good, lovely time. And that's the opening. So let me just climb down once more. These rocks and stones are quite bad. Just hope I don't fall live on camera. That will be a scene to watch. Okay. So thanks for liking and viewing my channels, guys. Please subscribe, and you can see such personalized view. This is like not a professional channel at all. I don't believe in giving you anything professionally. I believe in giving you things drastically the way I'm facing them. Oh, that's a spider. Oh god. Anyways, I'm looking at things drastically the way I'm seeing things. I'll be giving it to you just that way. So কোনো professionalism রাখলে you will not feel you feel intimidated. Oh my god, you will feel intimidated and you will not feel connected. Yeah, anybody can do this kind of video. You know, whatever I'm seeing, my camera is seeing the same thing. Whatever I'm experiencing, you are experiencing that. তো সেই হিসেবে আমার মনে হয় যে প্রফেশনাল এডিটিং, স্ক্রিপ্টিং, মিউজিক অ্যান্ড লোগো হ্যান ত্যান দিয়ে কোনো লাভ নেই। যদিও আমি প্রফেশনাল ফিল্ম মেকারের মা, তো তাও I don't involve him in this small videos that I upload, and he's quite okay with the natural view content. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel for this kind of adventures in India and in Canada. So you'll get to see all kinds of adventures in India and Canada. Okay, I'll let you go by showing you my face. I hope you can see me. It's not cold right now, but it's very cold at night. Okay, so have a good time, guys, and see you for till the next video. Keep watching.